Hello, musicians. Our second activity is working out some star patterns. Today, we have some stars and the big moon who are best friends. They are always out at nighttime. They shine, twinkle, and glow in all sorts of ways. And I am so excited to recognize these star patterns with you. We're even going to use some really cool astronomy vocabulary today. That means we're going to use big words that apply to the sky, the nighttime sky, where our stars and moon friends live. So let's go ahead and get started. In our star patterns, these stars live all around the moon. They live above the moon and below the moon. So our star patterns are going to come directly from our song. Let's listen. They go, star bright. Listen again. Star bright. The very first sound, star, is above the moon and has its friend, bright, below the moon. So the pattern, star bright, has two stars that are playing above and below the moon. Let's see it again. Star bright, star bright. That first sound would have to fall down below the moon to go to the next sound. Let's see what that looks like. Star bright. That is the first star pattern. Star bright. The second star pattern starts above the moon and goes below the moon. Let's see what it says. Starlight. The second pattern is starlight. It starts above the moon and goes below the moon. Let's see it again. Starlight. So these are the two star patterns that we can hear in our song. Again, they are star bright, starlight. These are two star patterns. You will be singing one of them today. Again, they are star bright, starlight. I'm going to sing them again. As I do, point to the stars, move your hands up and down as I sing. Point to the stars as I sing. Here we go. Star bright, star light. One more time. Point to the screen, move your finger. Star bright, star light. Those are the two patterns. Now, my friends, here is something super cool. In the star at nighttime, sometimes we can see these really cool shapes from the earth. The stars are really, really high up in the sky. And those shapes of all the stars gathered together, it's a big word called constellation. The constellation is the shape of the stars that are seen from the earth. So let's take a look at the shape of our stars. Let's see what shape they could be in. Let's give the moon a moment to rest here. What shape does it look like the four stars are in? What shape does it look like the four stars are in? Is it a circle or a square? What shape does it look like the four stars outline? Very nice. This constellation, or this shape of stars, is in the shape of a square. Very good, very good. So constellation, that means the shape of stars, how they are formed, and what we could see from the earth. That is a real astronomy word. When we're looking up at the night sky, you could see constellations. So in the next activity, we are going to play a falling stars game. Before you move forward, please make sure you record one of those star patterns. Make sure you either record star bright or starlight. I'm excited to hear your singing voice match mine. Move on to the next activity once that is recorded.